Today we're checking out this 2-drawer metal filing cabinet from Letaya.
And this 2-drawer filing cabinet was sent to me by Letaya to test out. But they do not have any input on what I have to say. And they will only see this video once it's posted online because all inputs and opinions are my own. This unit was delivered disassembled, but they provided the installation manual to put it together. But before you start assembling, make sure you have all the parts and cross-reference them with the installation manual. Now when it comes to installation and putting this together, I wouldn't say that it was easy and straightforward, especially if you're not really used to assembling furniture. But it made it easy because each part has letter markers, as well as the screws. So make sure to follow the steps carefully and make sure that you are picking up the right parts by looking at the letter markers. I also ended up taking off the gloves because it keeps on getting tangled with the screws. And I find that using the included screwdriver is really slowing me down. So I reverted in using an electric drill. And just a disclaimer, I am not suggesting that you should start using an electric drill to speed up your assembly. I highly recommend that you keep on using the included screwdriver to prevent any damages. More importantly, if you do not have good control in using an electric drill. Part of the assembly is to test if the lock mechanism for the drawers are working. So make sure that when you twist the keys, those lock mechanisms are moving. The main body takes most of the effort. So if you get through that, the drawers are much easier to assemble. And in case you're wondering why the marker clip is inside the drawer, I just put it there for now since I don't have any use for it. But it can easily be moved outside. The drawers comes with adjustable metal dividers, so you can use hanging file folders to keep everything organized. Another thing I like about this filing cabinet is how simple the drawers are to install and remove. There are no screws needed, just a latch system that locks them onto the sliders. And there you go, the assembly is now complete. They also provided the set of screws to secure this cabinet to the wall. There are 2 holes at the back of this cabinet to use and help prevent it from tipping forward. Like most cabinets, it can tip forward if the top drawer is overloaded when open. And to test the lock, just turn the key and both drawers lock at the same time. Even if one drawer is left open, it will lock automatically once you close it. When it comes to aesthetics and build quality, I'm really liking the matte black finish. It gives the cabinet a sleek, modern look. And you can also get this in white, and you can choose between 2, 3, or 4 drawers. The drawers extend all the way out so you can access the full capacity of each drawer. And the frame feels solid and well built with no signs of movement or instability. Overall, it is a solid filing cabinet that helps keep your documents organized. And with a built-in lock, it also adds a layer of security. So if you're looking for something modern, sturdy, and functional, this one's definitely worth considering.
So guys, this is the 2-drawer metal filing cabinet from Letaya. Get yours today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.